Dog's food, that's right. Whoa!
It's okay. It's okay. They're friendly.
Friendly dogs.
Hi, doggies. Hi, doggies. No.
Do you like my doggies, Jordan?
Oh. 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 Whoa. Hey, help me up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
She wants a kiss. You don't want a kiss? No, you don't want a doggy kiss, do you?
She wants it right on the lips, too.
Yeah.
And if I let her kiss me on the cheek, she's like, no, I want to kiss you right in the
Yeah, I
mouth.
want to kiss you right on the...
Like that.
Scratch my butt.
And Foxy has a few comments. Remember the bird? The bird's name is Bandit. The bird's name is Bandit. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Steal a kiss. Okay. Foxy.
Yeah, that's Foxy.
It's a bird, Daddy.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah, the bird's name is Bandit.
Bird name Bennett. Bird name Bennett.
That's right. Do you like birds, Jordan?
Bird.
You like birds?
Banana bird.
There's another bird? Where?
No bird.
You want to have that bird? You can have that bird.
Daddy, I have it. Bird.
You want to have it?
I have it.
Is this a new chair?
Uh-huh.
I like it.
Do you like that bird? That's Jordan's bird.